Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Isuzu NPR along with Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 9. So this is by Majorette and this is from their JDM series. More specifically, this is from the how would I say Team Transport series. They don't actually spell it out as Team Transport like Hot Wheels does, but that's the gist of it. You can see JDM Legends here. So I personally loved the last set. That is also JDM Legends. So let's open this. I'm not going to spend much time on keeping the boxes here because even that last set I threw away the boxes. I just only kept the cars here in this display. But before I damage the card, I really want to showcase the card art to you guys. Okay, here it is. So it has this lettering here. So as usual, this actually matches with the livery of the car here. You can see that is really nice. I did throw this out in the past set, and the card art looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you can actually cut this out and you can use it as a clip art kind of thing. That is really nice. Okay, I bought this for MRP, which is you can see here 1199. That is actually good pricing if you ask me. So I really don't care about rubber tires or metal chassis if they are giving this much. But this one actually, let's see what part is metal and which part is actually plastic here. Okay, so let me put the car away for a minute. We will start with the truck here. Okay, the truck feels actually heavy, and so this whole thing is actually this piece here. I mean the cabin and this part, everything is fully metal, and the bed here is plastic. It has this much of articulate. Actually, you can bend it down. Yeah, you can bend it down like this. You can put it like this, but this is the default space you can put or stands. So the tires are actually plastic. It doesn't have any rubber inserts or it is not made of rubber. I am personally fine with it because I like it this way. I really like plastic tires instead of rubber tires because rubber tends to melt over time. Someone actually asked me in comments sometime back, which where you are living. So because I said it is the rubber is actually melting, right? So we live in India, bro. So whoever that person is, uh, so here we reach temperatures even to 45, 46 degrees Celsius. So that's the reason I actually replaced this boxes with white base because I used to have black base before, if you guys remember. In that particular one, in the topmost one which I had with all the Hot Wheels Premium, literally every car's tire melted and like it got stuck to the base of that display. So black actually absorbs a lot of heat. So I really wanted to give a like contrasty color. White usually reflects the light and even heat. So I went with white. So luckily I was able to get this particular set of boxes. Okay, with that said, so the livery on this one looks really nice. See, this is what I was talking about, guys. When I talk about Hot Wheels versus Majorette liveries, you can see here clearly. I mean, the way they actually do the liveries is actually different. So usually, if you take any Hot Wheels that looks like, it is like a dot matrix printer, but this one doesn't look like that. It looks really clean. It looks like a actual sticker, or like like a high quality print, you would say. So I really like the interior on this one. The steering wheel is well defined. It looks really good. I really like the way they matched the body kit here. With the interior here. See, this is not actually connected at all. You can easily remove this. I remember, I did this in my previous Majorette videos. You can see here, you can remove and even swap with the other ones. Even with those, yeah, even with those ones, I can swap this. I really don't want to do that again as of now. That's it, it just fixed again. So enough about about this truck. Let's get to the car now because even I am a bit curious about this, how it actually looks. Okay, so out of the box, it looks really beautiful. So mine actually has a little bit of paint bubbling here. You can see, and this is something not a common thing. Yours might not have, so don't worry about it. And it has acrylic headlights. I really love the color scheme they went with this particular car because it's red and blue, like a superhero, I would say, red and blue. And red and blue always works out really well. So, and they gave this orange accents here, for the body kit and everything. That actually looks really nice. And the Mitsubishi logo is really, it is actually well defined. It is not messed up or anything. It does have grill details everywhere. So this one you can see here, these are actually engraved and painted on top of it. That looks really nice. And it has tail light detailing as well. Here also you can see the logo and the Lancer lettering. Everything is really nice. It is not messed up in any way. And it has I really want to remove this and see how the chassis looks. Yeah, here it is. Again, oh my god, mosquitoes started coming now. You can you can see this, guys, right? Let me, oh my god. Okay, so the chassis doesn't have any detailing, but okay, the body is fully metal, the chassis is plastic, and so the body kit is actually plastic. So it does have good interior to it, and I really love the interior. Actually, um, see what they did was they gave red tint to the windshield, and on top of that they actually gave red interior as well. So that actually looks blood red, like kind of blood red, and it has roll cage as well. That looks really cool. So even the steering wheel on this one, okay, this is a right hand drive. Steering wheel on this one is actually very well defined. It is not just a block like you see in Hot Wheels. I'm really sorry, guys. I need to point that out. So because that's a major difference on this kind of things, right? And my personal favorite is it does have this rear view mirrors here, and I really like this piece here. You can actually remove this. Let me see if I can easily remove this. Okay, okay, this is latched here. I think I can remove. Yeah, it came. So this is the actual car. If you guys want to see, it does have the wiper detail here. That is really good. It does have rear wiper as well. Overall, the casting is actually really good. It is really solid. Let me put this back. Maybe let's weigh this casting first, and then I will, put the body kits back on. Okay, here it is. So without body kit, this is 41 grams. Okay, I was not honestly expecting that. Okay, let me put the body kit again, back again. I mean, Majorette is really this kind of, doing this kind of cool things. I really like these things because I don't know whether I will be able to own a Lancer or Mazda or a Torino, but I mean, it does have suspension as well. Even with suspension, the stance is really good. It doesn't look really hard because usually Majorette has that kind of, like name. They made a name for themselves. With the suspension, they usually have this awkward or odd stance. Okay, let me weigh this with the body kit. 44 grams. That is adding 4 grams to the car. Oh my god. Okay. See, again, I don't know whether this is going to be, it is going to roll really well, but maybe we will try. Okay. So the body kit actually, it is not allowing the car to roll. So let me maybe remove this. Okay, it does roll good. The rear wheel wobbles a little bit, but it does its job. So we are good there. Again, this is really neat. So let's rate this setup. So I don't know. See, this particular paint job issue that is specific to mine, so yours might not have. So don't worry on that. So apart from that, it is actually a beautiful casting. It has everything in it and more. So this one doesn't have rubber tires. This is plastic wheels. So the other two which we are going to unbox, I'm pretty sure that has rubber inserts like that one has. So I'm giving a 10 out of 10 for this. It has a little bit of loose toe here again. Maybe not that much, I guess. It is a little bit loose. But again, it's specific to mine, you don't need to worry about that. I usually rate based on common issues, not just mine. So yours won't have this, so no worries on that. So solid 10 out of 10 for this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, it's the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.